Good afternoon, everyone. Swing Set Paradise here. We're in Bryn Mawr, Pennsylvania. We just finished installing a Gorilla Malibu Extreme clubhouse. Very similar to the Mountaineer, but it has the Malibu style roof with two big dormers facing you, and the roof actually runs front to back, so you have these long roof panels, which allows those big dormers to face you. 2 solar lights on each post, so at night kids can play, and in general it just looks, looks great at night. It's lit up. Cedar swing set. The Clubhouse Add-on down here, you can see, has an enclosed wall with like a lemonade stand opening right here. There's your rope ladder. There's your 5-foot spiral slide. A very high quality swing set. Gorilla is one of the better brands as far as getting, bang for your buck. You see it still has a picnic table that comes with the regular versions in here. Ladder climbing up. Chimney. There's your side dormers. Comes with 2 belt swings and a rope ladder, or I'm sorry, 2 belt swings and a trapeze. Installation available from most states. Free shipping on all Playsets. Any questions, give me a call. My name is Bill. And once again, this is Swing Set Paradise. You can click the links in the video. Have a good day.